have a collection here of alchemical singing bowls. These three are alchemical. This one is quartz. These ones are extremely light. They're alchemical because they have quartz and some kind of other substance, metal, stone, whatever. And this is just pure quartz crystal, and it's much heavier. Oh, so that's very dense. And so why am I so fascinated by these instruments is because they produce a very, very beautiful sound. And the sound actually has a direct effect on our cells. As you know, that we are by volume 75% water, and by molecular count, we're actually 99% water, which is wonderful. And so sound travels through water 4 times faster than it does through the air. So what happens is that these frequencies that are emitted actually go and restructure our waters. Imagine a snowflake, right? A snowflake has got those are beautiful structured waters. So imagine that what they do is that they harmonize us and they bring us into a greater form of coherence. They relax us. There's a multitude of benefits. And these instruments are just one of the most beautiful ways to do so. So without further ado, I'm just going to give you a beautiful demonstration, and I invite you to, first of all, let's take a nice deep breath together. Drop whatever it is that you're doing. I know that life is very busy, but really our body needs to regenerate. And these are moments where we can slow down, allow our body to tap into the parasympathetic nervous system, which allows us to rest and restore. So taking notice of your breath and just really noticing your breath as it is in a natural way. Is it fast? Is it slow? Is it relaxed? The tone and the texture of your breath, and without trying to change it, just observe how it is. And then on your next exhalation, just take a nice deep breath in. Try and make it a lateral breath so that you're breathing in through the sides, through your belly. And as you exhale, just release, noticing how your body can sink in a little bit more. We can start releasing whatever tension that we're holding in our bodies, especially in our shoulders. Breathing in, expanding, opening. And exhaling and just releasing, softening, coming to the present moment. Taking one last deep breath in. And just relaxing and coming to the present moment. I hope this brought some peace into your heart, because when we feel peace in our hearts, we can be peace in the world. Have a beautiful day.